preparing a cold cucumber salad. So let's get started. These are the ingredients required for the cold salad, cucumber cold salad. We need whole of pani puri. Try to take these ones, not the ones which are recently come out, the round one. These ones are more preferable. Green cucumber should be fresh and juicy. Cold curd, the curd should be very chilled, not at all, it should not be warm also. Plain water, 1 tablespoonful of jeera, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, bundi as required like 1 tablespoon, and raisins 2 to 3 tablespoons. So now what I am going to do is I have put a little bit of water in the pan and I will add raisins, all these raisins, and then I will add jeera and half teaspoon of chili powder and salt to season. Now I'll put the pan on the gas. I will let it be there for 15 minutes till the raisins are fully done. Now I'll switch off the gas because the chili powder has also mixed in nicely and the raisins also will get welled up. I'll transfer this mixture in the mixie jar so that I can blend it into a nice paste. Now the mixture of raisins and black pepper and jeera and salt has cooled down. Now I will blend it. So we have a paste ready for the cold salad. Just transfer this. Now I'll just chop this cucumber into small chunks. That's 3. I don't want it very small, not too big, but I want the bite. Now I have a very chilled curd over here. The curd is very chilled. Now I'll add some of this bundi, very little, not much, very little. So here I have my first pani puri, cold salad. First at the bottom I will add this paste. good amount of cucumber, nice amount of curd.